So today we have a mystery box unbox. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with Unboxed, bringing you tech unbox and reviews. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I'll list all the details and everything else I forgot. Also, don't forget to smash the like button. And let's jump into this mystery box unbox, the first one. And I actually know what's inside, but not exactly, if you know what I mean. Okay, let's get to unboxing this mystery box. I'll grab my usual unboxing tool and let's open this. And let's see what's inside this mystery box. It's quite long, so yeah, as you can see, quite a long box, can't fit in the shot. There's a weird bulge here, I don't understand why, but let's see. We have something here bulging the box. What's this? I'll just grab this too, set this box on the side. Let's see what's this. And inside white. And what's this? And door. So maybe you figured out what this is all about. If not, I'm gonna tell you. It's about upgrading the lights, because all my lights need upgrading. They're a bit not as good. So this is the white diffusion cloth. Has a lot of squares. Hopefully it's fine when it diffuses light. Let's see what else. These things probably go somewhere around here. Let's see if I can make it. And then we'll check the rest of the box. Okay. It looks quite big, so hopefully it's gonna be better than what I currently have. Maybe something like this? Probably, yeah. So as you can see, you can stick this here. I just set this on the side. And I'm assuming this one is exactly the same, but let's check, just double check. Yes, I'll leave this on the side for now. And let's see what else do we have in the box. It seems like this is a light. Let's see what is this about. A lot of bags. This looks a bit cheap, I think. Hopefully it's fine, but I don't know. 80 watts. We got Kelvins as well, which is good. Definitely made in China. So it's a LED photo studio light setup. Oh look, it has a handle as well. You can take it by the handle. And I'm assuming those things just go inside here. Yeah, I'll set this on the side and let's see what else do we have. We have a power cable for the light, most probably. The power brick. We'll connect this after. What else? Another light. Let's set this on the side. Just check one for now. Another power brick. And what is this? It's very nicely folded, as you can see. Yeah, very interesting fold. That's what I mean. I'm gonna try to unfold it. Look at this. Why would you fold it like that? I mean, where's the customer experience? You know, not only customer experience, but what am I gonna do with this folded very nicely thing? It's not the most expensive softbox, but still, it shouldn't be packed like this. It should be packed more decent. Yeah, let's set this on the side and check what else we have in the box. We have another two smaller boxes which are a bit damaged, hopefully not inside. I'm assuming these two are the same because there's two lights, so probably this is one stand. Two stands, I mean, for both lights, and I'll just open one of them. Open sesame. Why is it so hard to open? Right, so we still have some. And now let's open. And let's take this out. Yeah, this small box. it looks decent. I have one about the same, maybe a bit better. No, it's about the same, yeah. I think it should be okay, the light stand. I'm not sure about the lights though. Let's mount one light and see what the light is all about. Okay, so now let's connect all of these things together. Let's put the light. I'm not even sure how to connect this. Maybe like that, and then this connection thing is a bit weird. I think let's try something else. Let's try and connect all of this here. I'm thinking probably this long thing go here, not the small ones. Let's put this spider together. Okay, we got this. Oh my god, who invented this thing? Holy moly. This is not functional. They have to sit 1 hour just to put this together. I'm starting to hate this light. I'm gonna try again. I think this sticks inside. This is so frustrating. Okay, I'm gonna try now to, I don't even know how to do this. Maybe like that, probably. We got two. I can do this. I'm not sure if it's the right way. The last stick. Yeah, so finally got this, but it probably should be the other way around, but I'll just leave it like that for now and we'll see how much light do we get. It's actually okay. Gonna try and stick this so the light doesn't bleed out. And now let's add the white cloth on top. Do you actually just put it like that? Maybe it's easier. Okay, I'll just stick to not sticking. You can actually stick it, but I feel like this is better not to stick it. Looks better now. Yeah, so compared to mine it's a bit hot there, as you can see. Let's check this one. Okay, so put this more down. You have to actually take this cap out. It looks like it's gonna sit in place. Okay, now it's time to plug this in. Get a plug. At least we have a good thing on this. Power cable is long. It should be long. You need a long power cable because you don't have any batteries. Like on mine, I can just unplug it. Oh, I mean on the other one. But on this one, it has to be all the time plugged in. Let's see. Whoa, that's quite some light we have here. And we have 5,500 kelvins, then back to 3,200. I usually use about 3,500, but I don't know exactly where that is on here. It actually looks like we have a lot of light. It might do a better job than the current one does, so that's at its brightest. Just gonna try and stand there for a moment so you'll see as well what I'm talking about. Whoa, it's so big and the light is coming right in my face. I mean, it does feel better than the other one. Let's switch it up and see the difference. I think it's nicer when I see it. It's maybe easier for my eyes, I think. Not sure. That's how it feels though. Maybe definitely a bit better. You can see the shadow is softer there, especially at night, or if I want to make this room dark for like shooting all the time. Usually I make the videos in the morning because there's more light coming from outside as well. I have the window which is there, but I would like to make it like black, and then I'll have just a dark room, and then I can set the lights however I want and make the video when I can. I mean, like, make a video look the same if I have to shoot in the morning or at night. Like, it doesn't matter. That's what I want.